How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today, I'm going to show you how to save money on groceries using my years of experience on saving money, so much so that I'm able to retire because of it. This video is brought to you by Moomoo, the free trading app. You can get up to 15 free shares of stock just for signing up and depositing various amounts of money. Check out my referral link down in the video description below, and you can help out my channel at the same time. Whichever grocery store that you shop at, make sure you have their app because sometimes they give you very, very good deals. I know not everyone has Safeway around them, but I personally do, and I get a lot of good deals from them, including $5 off of $5. Sometimes they give that to me. Weekly freebies. It's kind of competitive and you have to wake up early in the morning to get it every Saturday. But if you do, you're rewarded with something on the value of about $5. At this particular supermarket, you can also buy gift cards that you go and spend at wherever, but doing so, you can rack up a lot of points. As an example, if you buy $600 worth of gift cards, you can get $20 worth of free groceries. This translates to about 3.3% cash back. This is on top of any kind of cash back that you can get at, like, let's say Discover, where you get 5% back. Another one, this should be nationwide, is the CVS Care Pass. Not enough emphasis is placed on this because the CVS Care Pass costs $48 a year. You get other benefits, but the main thing is every single month they give you a $10 voucher to spend at whatever that you want at CVS. So this is about $120 value already that you're paying $48 for. Now I understand CVS is not the cheapest of places to buy a lot of items. They're roughly 25 to 50% more expensive. But even after you take that into consideration, you're only paying $4 for a $10 coupon every single month. This, to me, it's a no-brainer. You can just get this and always pick up something at CVS. I personally buy 2 bags of almonds. This costs about $12, and sometimes they give out coupons that's $2 off $12 or even $5 off of $12. And with a $10 voucher, you're essentially getting 2 pounds of almonds for just $4. Sometimes the credit cards run a promotion on the yearly subscription fee. You get like 20% off. So instead of paying $48, now you're only paying about $40 a year. Even without the yearly subscription deal, I think it's a really, really good deal to just go on it. Get the $48 per year Care Pass and spend the $10 every single month. Another way to save on groceries is you need to know how much things cost, because if you just walk into a grocery store blind, you just pick up whatever and then, you just get surprised at the end. How much is my total bill? You need to go in there aware of how much things are valued at. For example, I kind of on the back of my mind know all the stuff that I personally buy frequently. Ground beef is $4 a pound. So if I ever see ground beef for $4 a pound, I will buy it. If it's over, I have to consider if it's a good deal or not. Ribeye used to cost $6 a pound when it's on sale pre-pandemic. Now it's about $8 a pound for the USDA choice. Oranges and cuties goes for about $1 a pound. So if you see a 3-pound bag of cuties, it's supposed to cost $2.99. 5-pound bag is supposed to cost $4.99. Anything over that, you might want to not buy it and go to a different grocery store. Asparagus is usually $4 a pound, broccoli about $2 a pound. So if I see it for, let's say, $1.48 a pound, yes, I will get the broccoli. Mushrooms is $5 a pound. So knowing how much things cost per pound, you can kind of multiply it and apply it to something that's half the size, 1.5 times the size. For example, if a mushroom is 24 ounces, that means it's 1.5 pound. Mentally, if it costs less than $7.50, then you should buy the mushroom. Costco is not always the cheapest, and recently when I'm on the Costco forums, a lot of people have been complaining about their vegetables not being very, very fresh. It seems like people are shying away from it. I personally have experience buying some amount of vegetables and they go rotten a lot quicker than if I bought it from, say, Sprouts. So usually because they sell it in such bulk quantities, I don't really buy vegetables and fruits from Costco all that often. To save money at Costco, what is the philosophy behind it? It's not just always buy in bulk. If you see like a brand new snack and it's like this giant 5-pound pack and you're gonna have to eat it forever, it might not be the best thing because you don't even know if you like it or not. So the best way to buy in bulk is stuff that you've already tried before. If it's some snack that you ate and you really love it, oh yeah, go ahead and buy in bulk at Costco. But if it's something you never tried, don't do it. If it's like eggs, non-perishable items like toilet paper, go ahead, buy in bulk. Buy a smaller pack at a grocery store, see if you like it first before you buy like a bulk 24 pack. Here is what I believe is the ultimate hack in saving money on groceries. Basically, don't waste any groceries at all. And one way to do this is to do a fridge and freezer purge. Try to not buy any groceries at all. Eat what you have first. Eat everything in the pantry. Now, you're not gonna have exactly the right amount for your nutritional needs. So what you might need to do is still go to the grocery store and buy some fruits and vegetables. If you have frozen meats in the fridge, eat those first. Add some fruits and vegetables that you buy at the grocery store, and you keep on doing this until everything is gone. You're gonna have 1 or 2 months of super duper low grocery spending. Now you might need to replenish your meat reserves or whatever that's in your fridge. So when you go out, you're just gonna have to be careful of not to overbuy, because when you're doing your grocery purge, you're gonna realize that some things are not edible. Take note of those things that you over purchase that expired or whatever that you have to throw away, because then the next time you go out and buy stuff, you're gonna be like, okay, last time I bought way too many of said item. I should not do that again. I hope this video is useful for you guys in saving your groceries with inflation going nuts these days. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more.